Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a painting business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Now, before we start a painting business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. The painting industry has evolved significantly. Starting a painting business now presents new challenges and opportunities to be aware of, ranging from virtual estimates to higher project prices to labor availability. Unlike other industries, the painting trade is relatively easy to enter, making it an appealing option for starting your own business. Your goal as a small business owner is to be profitable. One significant advantage of the painting industry is that most jobs have very healthy high profit margins. Painting profit margins help cushion your bottom line and keep cash flowing into your bank account. Whether your painting company specializes in commercial painting contracts, residential jobs, or industrial painting. While most painting lines are profitable, it is important to note that new construction has low profit margins. When starting your painting business, make sure you take a variety of jobs to ensure you make a profit. Painting has a large market, which is one of the main reasons why starting a painting business is a good idea. There are many different types of painting jobs available. You can specialize in interior or exterior residential painting for homeowners, new construction painting, or residential painting for builders. You can also bid on commercial painting jobs for businesses such as offices, apartment buildings, and industrial facilities. With the size of the market, the possibilities are limitless. However, not only is the market large, but it is also recurring. This means that even if you painted a house or an office this year, they will most likely need to be repainted in a few years, and the client will contact you. The market is also constantly expanding in size. Consider how many new homes and restaurants have opened in your neighborhood in recent years. All of those structures required the services of a painting company because painting is frequently a necessity rather than a luxury. When starting a business on your own, your goal is to make a profit as soon as possible. In some industries, it can take months or years before you start making a profit or expanding your painting business. However, the painting industry has extremely low startup costs, which means you can open a painting business with almost nothing and turn an immediate profit with just a few clients. This is without a doubt a significant advantage of starting a painting business that most industries cannot match. Understanding the painting business is relatively simple, even for those with limited painting experience. You don't need any prior painting experience to understand how the painting business works and get started. This makes it relatively simple to launch a painting business with no prior experience. In some states, you may need a contractor's license to paint houses, but in others, no license application is required. You must be able to direct the employee on the job as the owner of the painting company. What preparation is required? What materials are required? How can we ensure complete customer satisfaction? If you can answer these three questions for each type of paint job your company provides, interior residential homes, exterior residential homes, etc., you'll have mastered the most important skills required to run a successful painting business. While there is competition in the painting industry, the companies you are competing with are severely lacking. If you search for painting companies in your area, you will most likely come across hundreds of them. However, just because there are a lot of them does not imply that you will face stiff competition. The majority of these painting companies lack business acumen. If you read their reviews, you'll notice that they're not good at communicating with their clients, that they're always running late, that they provide subpar paint jobs, and that they don't respond to their clients. On the business side, they frequently lack understanding of how to run a business, lack a streamlined sales process, and overlook important marketing channels. While there may be many competitors in your city or state, the majority of them are not true competitors. Take some time before starting your business to hone your skills and learn the ins and outs of painting a residential or commercial property. The internet is brimming with useful resources that can teach you new skills. You can also request to shadow a local painter to gain hands-on experience. Knowing what types of paint to use, what materials are worth investing in, and different techniques to improve your craft will ensure that you leave all of your customers satisfied. Starting your own painting business presents numerous challenges. Before you can open your doors, there is a lot of paperwork and fine print to go through. Before marketing your company, you should organize the following important business elements. 1. Business name. You will need an easy-to-remember and professional business name that you can use across all marketing materials such as brochures, your website, your logo, and social media platforms. 2. Website URL. Think of your company's website to be a 24-hour sales rep who can connect you with prospective customers at any time, and from any location. Choose something brief and related to your company's name. Remember that your website URL will also be your email domain, so make it professional and easy for customers to identify who they are dealing with. 3. Incorporation. Once you've decided on a business name, you must register it with the local government as an LLC. The process can take several weeks to several months, so make sure you register your business well in advance of your opening day. 4. Business location. When you first start out, you may not want to open a physical location. Consider renting a small office space to use as a backdrop for your Google My Business profile and other marketing materials. If you don't yet have the funds to rent office space, consider renting a P.O. box to which you can send all business correspondence. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a painting business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.